Aging is the cause of hundreds of diseases that appear silently, affecting our quality of life. Do you remember how you felt when you were 20 years old? Recovering your youth is now possible. But how do we age? Every time we breathe, we produce free radicals. And these free radicals are thieves that are literally stealing pieces of code from your DNA. But that's not all. Diseases, our bad habits, vices, our lifestyles, lack of exercise, stress, and poor diet add to this DNA damage. Due to this genetic damage, when each of your cells reproduces, they duplicate themselves with incomplete or damaged genetic code and epigenomes. Imagine this process repeating itself over and over again. How intact do you think the 10,000th copy of your cell is? What about the 100,000th copy or millionth? This is aging. Loss or deterioration of the information recorded in your DNA and epigenome caused by bad habits and cellular oxidation due to the bombardment of free radicals. What if you could have a cellular time machine, which would return the information that it had to each cell when you were 20 years old? This is technologically possible and scientifically proven. It is called NRF2 activation. There is a protein called nuclear regeneration factor 2, or NRF2, that is responsible for maintaining your genes. But it peaks around the age of 20, and after that it begins to gradually decline due to general decrease in NRF2 protein expression and pathway responsiveness. Our biological clock starts its countdown, like a cellular hourglass whose sand runs out as we age. What does NRF2 do for you? NRF2 enters the nucleus of the cell, travels through the DNA, and fine-tunes more than 3,000 genes. Within those genes is a very special group of genes called survival genes. NRF2 is also responsible for the control of gene expression. You could relate how NRF2 works to the conductor of an orchestra, telling our genes how to play the music, how loud, how soft, or when to be silent. And NRF2 works precisely at the center of the control of gene expression. What benefits does activating NRF2 have? Optimization of more than 3,000 genes. Among these genes are genes that produce primary antioxidants, glutathione, superoxide dismutase, and catalase. Collagen and hyaluronic acid producing genes. Genes related to the metabolization of amino acids present throughout the body and all organs. Genes related to the immune system. Genes related to inflammation. It regulates the biogenesis or creation of mitochondria, which are the energy production plants of cells. Genes related to the regulation of metabolism. Genes related to the activation of anti-tumor mechanisms of cells. Activating NRF2 results in cellular regeneration from the genes, and this, in turn, results in the regeneration of entire organs and complete systems, such as the respiratory system, nervous system, circulatory system, muscular system, etc. We present to you GNM-X, an advanced epigenetic technology which triggers NRF2 activation. GNM-X is a revolutionary product that not only activates the NRF2 protein in all of our cells, but also allows NRF2 to remain active in our cells for a longer period of time. GNM-X is the most powerful NRF2 activator to date. It has been developed with the most advanced, cutting-edge epigenetic technology available. It is 100% natural and scientifically tested and validated. We all want to delay aging and increase the health of our cells. With GNM-X, it is now possible.